All right, so we're here at Singapore Changi Airport arrival, Terminal 2, arrival on Singapore Airlines. It is 11:40 at night.
Terminal 2 arrival entrance on your left side.
Thank you. So we'll just zip down here. Oh boy. This is gonna be a long walk, I think. So I came in from Bangkok. It's 2 hours. Well, maybe an hour and 40 minutes, more like it. Singapore is a huge airport. It's got more than just Terminal 2. It's Terminal 1, Terminal 2, Terminal 3, Terminal 4. They're building Terminal 5. Terminal 5 is not going to be built for a while, though. Singapore is one of my favorite cities. That's why I keep coming back. It's a bit expensive, though. Singapore Airport is one of my favorite airports to arrive into because they do the e-arrival, electronic arrival. You fill out the arrival card, and then you just go to the biometrics machine. Pretty easy. But one thing I will say, the airport's flipping huge. It seemed like the last few times I arrived in Singapore, I didn't really have an issue with long walks from the arrival gate to the immigration hall. Looks like this time I was not as lucky. Usually I have not good luck with departures. Seems like my departure gate is always so far away. My arrival gate is always so close. But today, not as lucky as usual. It's okay. Those travelators help a lot. Now, some of you are going to say, hey, are you going to take the train to the city? The answer is no. And there's two reasons. One, it's late. I don't even think it's going. I guess I might be able to squeeze it on there. Pretty sure it stops running at 12 though. Like all the way across the board, stops running at 12. And then also, where I'm staying is in Kalong, which is nearby Marine Parade. So it's a little bit more complicated to get there. Although, probably not as far as Central. Alright, so here's the immigration hall. That took about 5 minutes, right? yeah, so I'm gonna do the immigration processing and then let you know how it goes. But make sure you have your SG arrival card, SGAC. You need that to get into Singapore for everybody. All right, that was really easy. I was in line maybe a minute max. I mean, it's just incredible how much more efficient those little biometrics machines are. All these people are like, oh, biometrics is bad. EID is bad. And that could be, I guess, maybe. But if you don't like lines at immigration, those things are great. I mean, incredible. Coming and going. Like, you know, usually you'd have to have one person manning each booth in order to go through it, right? That's how it works. So, you know, you arrive in, like, I don't know, say Bangkok. Well, there's only 6 people working, 2 of them are out lunch. So there's only 6 lines open, full immigration hall. Over here they have 30 different lanes. Like 30 lanes. That's the equivalent of 30 immigration officers. So you get the idea. Would you rather have 5 or 6 or 30? I think you get the idea. All because it's automated. But, you know, it's another one of those things. People are going to lose their jobs. This one's coming in from Penang. This one's coming in from Bangkok. I almost went to Vietnam, but they're not quite up to snub at that airport. Last time I was there, it took like an hour to get through the lines. First time I went there, it took 2.5 hours to get through immigration. So I was like, I got my visa, but I don't really want to deal with that. So I'm trying to think about how I want to get into Vietnam. Maybe I'll go to Phu Quoc and then backdoor into Ho Chi Minh City. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so we landed about 20 minutes ago and the bags are just now starting to come out. I was one of the first here, so I had to wait like 10 minutes because it took me 10 minutes to get here, including go through immigration. So it's pretty quick, everything. All right. There we go, there's my bag. All right, well, I'm starting to get worried because lots of bags have come off and mine have not come off. I wonder if it's left in Bangkok. We've watched so many bags go by now. Oh, perfect. So, I'd say about 5 to 10 minutes of luggage spinning around. Now, I did arrive business class. I fly business class on Singapore. I use a lot of points, get a lot of points. So that was supposed to be priority. I have the little orange priority. So priority luggage was not something that happened here. But anyway, we're going through customs. I'll turn this off. Okay. So I'm going to see what's up with an eSIM. If they have eSIMs. This is the way you go to get the train to the city. I'm just glad I got my suitcase. See, currency exchange, maybe I need that. Singtel. Do you do eSIM? It's one area where Changi really does not accelerate. Is they don't have any eSIM. That is the weirdest thing. Why would a modern airport not have eSIM anywhere in the airport? That is beyond me. Bangkok has it. All airports have eSIMs except for Changi and Singapore. They used to have it. I've gotten it here before. Unless she was not sure who would have it, but I have gotten it before. All right, ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Steamy. Real steamy. Let's see here. Taxis. busy for midnight. That guy almost got hit by that car. That was weird. That guy literally almost got hit by the car. This car right here. Where's Grab? Do they have a Grab area? Taxi. I want to book a Grab, but go back in the AC. It's so hot. It's incredibly hot outside right now. Incredibly hot. All right, so my American US Verizon international SIM card is not working. And they don't have an eSIM here. So they've gotten less efficient over the years. Used to be real efficient here. What is this? Hello, sir. Do you guys do eSIM?
Yeah.
Oh, you do eSIM?
Yes, this one.
Oh my goodness. That lady told me they don't do eSIM. That's great. Right, so I did get it. It was $29 for 2 weeks, 15 days. And he told me that if I wanted to book a Grab, which I already did on the app now that I have data signal, because it was actually hard to get data signal here. My phone with Verizon wasn't working, even though it was working in Thailand and every other country I've been. But for some reason it wasn't able to connect here at this airport. And then also he told me door 7 is where I get the Grab, so it's coming in 3 minutes. So just wait 3 minutes and yeah. I'm just glad I got an eSIM. That was a bit of a pain in the butt though.